Right, so today we're going to program the Sangamo Pss2 water heater timer. If we hold the boost button down and power up the time clock with this spur, the light should be flashing, and what we're looking for is when we set, it goes on the E, which is British Summer Time and Greenwich Mean Time. So the 3 or the E is British Summer Time, and if you press the 6, that's Greenwich Mean Time. So we'll select the 6, press set. Now it's looking for us to tell it to program every day the same. See the days flashing at the top. So if we don't want that, we could have a 5 and a 2, which is your weekdays and your weekends. Or if you wanted to program every individual day, you could have it on setting 3. So we will go back and program a 5 and a 2, which there's your weekdays flashing, and then your Saturday and Sunday. So that's what we're going to select. Now it's flashing the single day at the top, which it's Tuesday today, so we scroll that along and we're looking for Tuesday or whatever day it is. Press set. Now it's asking us to set the time, so we will scroll up using the minutes. 14. And if you press set, it will move over to the minutes. It's 20 past 2. Set. Now it's asking us to program the first timed period on the weekdays. See the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday all lit at the top. So we're going to set the first time we're coming on. So if we say we want the hot water to turn on at 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning, set. Second set is your minutes, which we don't need. We want it at 6 o'clock. Press set again. You'll see it's now saying off. So we want to turn the hot water off at 7 o'clock in the morning. And again, we don't need any minutes. So the second one is the minutes. We don't need that, so we'll switch that off. Now it's asking us to time on the second period. So if we said we want it to come on at 4 o'clock, which is 16. The second set is in minutes, which we don't need, so we'll press that again. Now it's looking for us to turn it off again. So we might say that we want our hot water to be turned off at 9 o'clock, which is 21 minutes, which we don't need, so set past that. So that's us programmed it twice on the weekdays. So now we just need to scroll through the other settings. You'll see the bottom going up, look, and you could have 10 individual different timed periods, which we don't need. And once we go over, you'll now see the top line has reverted to Sunday and Saturday. So this is the weekend time period. So the first on, we're gonna have on at 8 o'clock in the morning, or we'll say 9 o'clock. And we might have it, we don't need the minutes, so press set again. Now we're looking to turn it off, and we will again turn it off at 9 o'clock at night. Second one is the minutes, which we don't need. And you can see that we have programmed the first time period. So we've just got hot water on all day at the weekend. You can obviously program it again, so it could come in the morning or come on in the evening. You just program your second time period. So once you've finished, then hold the set button. And that should take us to the timer, kicking the water heater in whenever we've set on. So basically your boost now still operates. Your boost, if you just scroll up, so it's on for an hour, you can have it on for 2 hours and then off again, and you can hear it click on and off. So basically, to run your timed period now, you'll see it's off. So that's the timer off. So you want to just have the display as showing nothing. So now once the time period kicks in, that will program up and kick your hot water on.